I'm Valentina and today I have an unboxing for you. 3 pairs of shoes by the brand called Cosy Island. This brand reached out to me and I checked out their website, and there was specifically one pair of shoes that I really liked. I am about to show you. So the name Cosy Island comes from the idea of making really comfortable shoes that you will be able, this is how it looks from inside, wear for a long time, and that will feel as a comfortable Cosy Island on your feet. So this is the first pair of shoes. So all of the heels that I chose are not super high heels, so I think they're going to be very comfortable. They are 6 centimeters tall, so this is the first pair. I chose this one for more elegant occasions, and I really like that it has this little detail on the front, which is also holding the foot a little bit better. They are made of natural materials, natural rubber and latex, and they are padded, so there is the little cushion in the front, in the middle, and also one on the heel. So this is the first pair. This is really pretty. This is not my favorite one. I didn't come to that one yet. Maybe it's going to be in this box. By the way, how beautiful is the color of this box? Buttery yellow, very trendy right now. Let's see if maybe they will be here, and here they are. I loved this beautiful color. Ooh, it looks really red on my camera. They have 2 bows, one in the front and one here. This is supposedly very stretchy material. I didn't try them yet, so I cannot say. They do feel comfortable on the touch, and the heel I think is just perfect size. I am 170 centimeters tall, which is 5'7", and I feel the best when I have just a little bit of heel, not too much. I don't really wear very high heels, but 5-6 centimeters I feel the best when I just have that little bit of extra height, and these are so pretty. I can't tell you yet about the sizing. I am going to try them on, but this is, I mean, how cute are these? What I like the most also about this model, so the previous one, this one comes in 3 colors, but this one comes in more than 10 different colors, and I was in between red and pink one. I loved both colors, but then in the end I decided on this one. I am going to open the other shoe as well. This is how they look together. This is going to be so pretty for this spring and summertime with my dresses. And the last pair, oh, and I forgot to mention about these, they are stretchy. So they're stretchy both here in on the top, and then also this strap on the side. So if you have a wider foot, this is also going to be very good for you. And then we have the last pair of heels. This is in cream color with a belt on the side. These are so elegant. These are also padded, and they seem to be very comfortable, and I feel like this color, cream color, can go with so many outfits, and these can be worn for very elegant occasion, but not necessarily, as well as the black ones. So this is, if you're wearing like long pants or jeans, I feel like they can be sort of a little bit more casual without this shiny strap. And then also these. I love this strap and this little detail on the side, also of course adjustable. I don't know which are my favorites. Either these or I like all three of them, but maybe these two. I'm gonna try them on and see what they look like when I wear them. Before I continue, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel as always. I also got these patches which make the shoe fit better inside, and I also think that it's going to be more comfortable with these. I will see if I need them. I'm gonna try them on as well. Hey you guys, I was shocked by the comfort of these shoes. I think they're the most comfortable heels I've ever had. You can actually feel the cushions. Look at these red ones, how beautiful they look combined with that dress. I can honestly say that they're more comfortable than some of the tennis shoes that I have. And the best part of it all is that you get a 10% discount with my code YT10 Valentina. I'll put everything down below in the description so you don't have to search for anything, as well as the shoes that I picked. I got these in size 8, which is my regular size in heels. Look at these black ones. They're gorgeous for parties, weddings, dinner, and any other special occasion. Great for dancing too. What I noticed is that they don't slip. The fabric is breathable and feels very nice on bare feet. You can wear these the whole day, no doubt. I can't decide which is my favorite pair anymore. Which one did you like the most? Let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.